Ramadan, month of study of the Quran. The month of Ramadan is meant especially for the recitation of the Quran, but recitation of the Quran does not mean merely reading it at a fast pace in order to finish it quickly. Rather, the Quran must be studied. A person must read the Quran from the beginning to the end to understand the scheme of things of the Quran and the message that it gives to humanity. Generally, people think that the month of Ramadan is meant to read the Quran in Taraweeh prayers. Whether it be Taraweeh or recitation, the Quran is basically meant to be studied. This is a verse of the Quran which says, "We have created life and death to test which of you is best in conduct." Surah 67, Ayah 2. That is, life and death can be created so that people are given a chance to perform deeds and then to select those who acted according to God's scheme of things. Another verse of the Quran says, "A time will come when humans will be divided in categories." The Quran, Surah 81, Ayat 7. That is, people would be categorized based on their words and deeds. It would be seen who proved himself to be in accordance with the creation plan of God. This division of people would be based on certain criteria. If you reflect on this verse of the Quran and its commentary, you will be able to understand this clearly. In this context, there is a verse in the Quran which requires deeper study and reflection. According to it, there are 4 categories of people: Nabi, messengers; Siddiq, truthful; the Shahada, not martyrs, but those who bear witness to the truth, or those who study deeply the scheme of things of the Creator and then conveyed it to people; and Salih, the pious. In the Quran, Surah 4, Ayat 69. This month of Ramadan is meant for deeper study of the Quran. The above verse of the Quran says, "On the day when people are categorized, people were initially given blessings on a general basis. Then in the hereafter, they will be categorized or given blessings according to the record prepared by the angels." This categorization of people is based on certain criteria which can be determined from the following verse. Whoever obeys God and the Messenger will be among those he has blessed. The messengers, the truthful, the witnesses, and the righteous. What excellent companions these are. Surah 4, Ayat 69. The first category is that of Anbiya, or the prophets. The second category is of Siddiqeen, or people who are very near to the prophets but have not been appointed as prophets. The prophets were directly appointed by God. The third are Shahada, or those who bear witness to the truth. A fourth category is of Salihin, or the pious people. We need to study to understand all these verses mentioned in the Quran. The month of Ramadan is especially meant for this purpose. Every commentary speaks about these matters, either concisely or in detail. You can start your study based on the commentary available to you. All commentaries contain more or less the same information.